Hello and welcome to Football Collectibles. So almost 2.5 months is passed from the time when Adrenalyn revealed their collection FIFA 365 2025 anniversary edition. For this time we made few box breaks, we buying cards time to time packs from the shops, and currently we have almost 350 cards. We still missed near 95 cards in our collection, but it looks already pretty good. So let's see how they looks like in the album. So the main cards that everyone hunted for them, it's Golden Bowlers and Invincible. We have six cards from 9. We're still missing Foden, Theo and Barella. We have few Invincible, probably few Wirtz if I'm correct, but 3 cards are still missing. But anyway, 6 cards also good result. Probably we will buy some more packs in nearest future and we'll find one more. Okay, so let's go further. Arsenal almost full. We missed 2 cards. Liverpool, we need still many cards. Man City, not bad result. 3 cards missing. He is almost 3 missing. My favorite team. Unfortunately, we need 6 more cards. It's my bad luck. I always have in Bayern less cards than in other teams, but probably because it's Bayern they are more rare. Probably you can comment about this. Maybe you have more Bayern cards than others and I really unlucky with them. Ferencváros almost full team, 1 card is missing only. Four cards still needed in Inter. It was our first full page in this album. Daniel was happy when we complete some page. Sun still need 2 more cards. Here's 5 more. Benfica like and Bayern 6 cards. It's only 3. Bars only 2 left. And special cards. Not better result as for me. I like these fluo cards in this season. In previous there were no such type of cards, but I like them. Colorful, bright. Which is Rising Stars, also beautiful cards. Nice combination of colors. And this is my favorite type of cards in every collection, legend cards. Love them more than others, probably because they are players from my childhood. When we were kids, we always been running with their shorts, like Pirlo, Ronaldo, Buffon, Totti. Yes, really good players. Interesting to see in every collection legend cards. So that's all. The few limited edition cards that we have from our starter pack. So yeah, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, help us to grow, it's really important for us. Like this video and see you soon. Bye.